if you've been watching Vintage Toy Freedom for any length of time, you know that I am zany for Z-Bots. I had to think of a word there to make some alliteration. This is actually my Z-Bot box right here. I've got some guys in there. So you've actually seen me open. There's some mini Z's. You saw me open that guy right there. There's some of the Link bots. You saw me open that Scorpedo right there. You saw me open that guy, those Combots, maybe a few others. But this guy's interesting. He's different. He is actually a Burger King premium. And there were, I think, 5 guys made from Burger King. I got them all here. Just got to take them out. Yeah, there's this guy. You see him a lot for some reason. There was the kind of orange eyeball guy. Not those guys. This guy, kind of the blue and yellow eyeball guy. And there's 2 more. This guy, the kind of purple and yellow guy, and the last one, I just had it around here somewhere. There it is. This guy. So those are the 5 Burger King premiums. And you see those a lot. Those are pretty common. And they're actually pretty cool for a fast food premium. Sometimes, fast food premiums are kind of lame. And I mean, they're not all super cool, but I mean, they have some articulation, like their limbs move. This guy, actually, I think he's the coolest because his eyeballs move. So, but what I didn't realize until just recently, and this is not on the Micro Machine Museum website, this is one that's already open. They actually come with Pogs, and there's quite a few different Pogs. And they come with 2 of the Burger King Kids, a dinosaur, and then 2 Z-Bots. And they're numbered. They have like D3, D7. This one's D11, D4, so there must be a lot. And then you also get these coupons. So 50 cents off Z-Bot robots, $1 on the combat vehicles. And then there's a little bit of information about the Z-Bots. So there's Buzzsaw, Jawbreaker, Turbine, Sky Viper, and Bug-Eye. And this shows some of the Bite bots, some of the Morph bots, some of the regular figures, some of the Link bots, vehicles, etc., etc. So, kind of cool. You go to Burger King, you get a Z-Bot, you get some Pogs, you get some coupons for Z-Bots, so you can bug your parents to take you to Toys R Us or KB or somewhere like that to get these Z-Bots. So this guy's already open. This guy, I feel like I'm going to keep him sealed. I like to have one. I got these all together. I like to keep this guy sealed. But this guy right here, I'm going to open him. This was, I already forget his name. Buzzsaw. So you can see I already have him, but he's kind of worn out. I probably shouldn't have opened that with my mouth. These are pretty dusty and old. These are from 1994, so they're 23 years old. I'm curious to know how many of the Pog things are made, because obviously it looks like they're just sort of randomly packed in there, and the one, again, has the number D11, so I think there's at least 11. Sometimes you find these guys like this in the bag, but I've not seen them bagged with the Pogs and the inserts before. So when I saw this all together as a lot, I definitely bought that now. You can see my guy's kind of getting faded. Well, this is Vintage Toy Freedom, so I'm opening this guy up, and there he is, I mean, just completely mint. The paint is perfect. A really good looking guy. I'm gonna put him. These are actually my extras. Those are the ones I'm selling. Sometimes these Burger King ones, because I get so many, and again, for some reason, a lot of this guy. You know, if I'm trading somebody, I'll throw those in for free or something, just because I think it's a fun thing to do, and I think people appreciate it, and I appreciate that when people do that for me. So this was the Burger King exclusive Buzzsaw, an aggressive warrior. Buzzsaw is always ready for battle. From 1994, along with the Kids Club caps, with a Boomer, Kid Vid, the Tyrannosaurus, Hitman, and Bitusk. I actually have both of those. There's Hitman right there, and Bitusk. He's in here somewhere. Oh, that's a version of him. They were all made in 2 colors, some of them more. I don't know. He's in here somewhere. It's not important. But that about does it for this episode. So go get you a Whopper and some fries and time travel back to 1994 and get you some Z-Bots. Not to mention the caps. Collect them, stack them, and wham them.